toss away the bag in just a moment. Let's put it somewhere a little bit neater. AKA on the floor. Come on. It's time for us to put in our CPU. It has a sticker that's included. This is a used CPU, by the way, and the person who didn't use the sticker, well, that just means they're kind of a psychopath. Oh man, I should just give you guys a better view. Oh, I have an idea. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm going to do it anyways. There you go. Okay, and it's already in. Give it a little wiggle. Anxiety? Yeah, I get that. I have to make sure that I'm standing up for this. Come on. And then you drop it. Okay. Alright, I didn't start the stream to be insulted. Okay, so now we will fit the cooler. Where did I put the cooler? Alright. I put the cooler on. I'm such an idiot. Okay, there it is. Okay. So, I have never done this before, but I know it will go really well because I'm a smart cookie. I think. So. Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh, here's thermal paste. Okay, thank God. I almost forgot about thermal paste. I mean, I did forget about thermal paste, and then Deep Cool came in clutch, so make sure we're not being idiots. This little guy will be important in protecting our motherboard and making sure it doesn't get scratched. So, just grab you. Oh God, okay, well, I'm an imbecile. So, we thread these little white washers through first. Okay, well, I just missed it. Okay, that's just great. That's a great sign of things to come. I just let the back plate fall through. There we go, it's fixed. Alright, let me just show you. Okay, I just dropped it through again. That's just great. Should be fine. Yeah, thank you. You want to come up here and try this yourself? Didn't think so. Okay, so this is a bag of small screws. Very, very small screws. This is a bag just with brackets and more screws. This is the thermal compound, and this is what's already there, and this is the cooler. Do you see anything shaped like this? Me neither. I have to look for it.
5 minutes later.
7. Piece 7. What? What is 7? That's 4 and 5. 7. What?
2 very boring minutes later.
What does that mean? Should have come with that part. Is it referring to this? Like, it means the thermal paste. God. Okay. Whatever. Alright, that was embarrassing. Okay. That's not right. I like how it said to use the short brackets though. That's really, really weird. Oh, I got it. Switch scenes. Please. I don't need a boot drive. No signal. Oh God. Oh, I got it. Here it is. Oh no. Okay, I need. Oh, I got it. Okay. Oh, sick, guys. Yeah, I got it, bro. Oh, and it switched off too. I am a god. Okay, I am a god. Okay. This is why 24 pin is so incredibly difficult. There's just so much friction. That is quite difficult. I didn't even check for 16 gigs of CPU. Oh, wow. Okay, well, we'll check that later. It should be fine. Okay, come on. Get out. Get out, please. Not the movie. Just get out. Oh, got it. Oh. Alright. Now, you might be alarmed that there's only 4 motherboard screws, and you should be because I couldn't find the rest. Okay. Let us. Our old system. Ta-da! Got it. So I did put a little bit of electrical tape back in the day, just to make it look nicer. But take this out as well. Didn't really help. And our power supply is out, and she fits. Okay, let's try some other hole. It's just tight. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, here. Oh, this is disposable? Disgusting. Azrock, you should do better. Oh. Okay. Oh, I might have dropped it. Okay. And it. There. I didn't really use that. Oh, this is satisfying. Ah. Now you see, this is where it comes in, where we lay the PC down like this, and we push it on. Here, let's just get you a better angle. There you go. We're just kind of, push it on. And there you go. Bada bing. That has this bulge for a reason, Why not use it? But yeah, everything should boot up and power on. Alright, so let's test that then. How about that? Oh, computer destroy on stream. Oh yeah, I know, right? I'm gonna be so sad. See that? Woo! Poggers, guys. Poggers. Poggers. Can I get a poggers in the chat, please? I have no way to just show you this, like, properly. Oh, yeah, that's an amazing angle. Yeah, let's just give you guys a 360. There you go. Okay. AMD Ryzen, processor speed. Save any changes and exit. Oh. Okay, I think we're fine. There it is. And there it is. Fine. We are so fine. Okay. That's that, guys. That is that. We will conclude the stream right here, guys. We're concluding the stream.